Understanding the relationships between multiple datasets requires an advanced tool, and Microsoft Power BI's cross-filters are the perfect fit. In this video, you'll explore the concept of cross-filter direction and learn how to identify different types of cross-filters. AdventureWorks needs to calculate which members of its sales team have sold the most product types and should be awarded a bonus. However, the data required to generate this insight is spread across multiple tables with fixed cross-filter directions. You can help AdventureWorks analyze this data by changing the cross-filter directions of its tables. But first, let's find out what data analysts mean by cross-filter direction. In Power BI, cross-filter direction refers to the pathway or the direction through which filtering happens between two tables in a data model. It dictates how data from one table influences the data in another table. This enables relational analysis without resorting to complex queries or manual data consolidation. Power BI relationships are directional in nature, unlike other database management systems. The direction significantly impacts how filtering operates. Having a clear understanding of relationship direction is a crucial aspect of data modeling in Power BI. Let's look at how direction plays an important role. The AdventureWorks dataset contains three tables: product, sales, and salesperson. The product dimension table is connected to the sales fact table using a one-to-many relationship based on the product ID column common to both tables. And a one-to-many relationship also connects the salesperson dimension table to the sales fact table based on their common rep ID columns. There are two types of cross-filter direction. The first is single cross-filter direction. This is the default setting in Power BI. The filter propagates from one table to another, but not vice versa. A good example of single cross-filter direction is the scenario you just explored. AdventureWorks product and salesperson dimension tables are connected to the company's sales fact table via a one-to-many relationship. Each arrow points in a single direction, indicating that the relationship's direction is single. This means that sales data can be filtered by both product and salesperson. So, when the product table is filtered for product 1, the sales table is automatically filtered for all sales of product 1. The next type of filtering is bidirectional filtering. Bidirectional filtering is filtering against the direction of a relationship. Sometimes you'll need to do this to answer a particular question. For example, as you learned earlier, AdventureWorks requires a report on employee performance. The report must show the number of products sold by each salesperson. You can generate this report using bidirectional cross-filtering. To generate the required results, you must filter from the sales fact table to the salesperson and products dimension tables. So, you need to change the direction of the filter to both. Let's look at the process steps for this action. You can apply a filter in the salesperson table for a specific sales team member. This filters the sales table for all sales by that person. The filter propagates to the product table, as the direction is bidirectional. We have now determined how many unique products the salesperson has sold. However, there are a few important points to note when using bidirectional filtering. Bidirectional cross-filter relationships can negatively impact performance, and configuring a bidirectional relationship can also result in ambiguous filter propagation paths. You can disable filter propagation within a relationship in Power BI using the cross-filter DAX function. This setting can be particularly useful in certain advanced scenarios, where you must isolate data for independent analysis. You'll learn more about DAX in the next module. The direction of the relationships plays a very important role in data modeling in Power BI. Properly applying these cross-filter directions can drastically enhance data analysis, leading to more insightful and actionable conclusions.